Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here looking at that little thing right there. It's called the dwarf from Wrocław, and I walked right by it twice and didn't even know it was there. But this time I thought I'd take a video of it. Bye everybody. So this little thing is called the dwarf from Wrocław. Can you see it right there? The dwarf from Wrocław. And I didn't know it was here before. And it's just this little thing that nobody really knows about. And I bet people walk by it all the time, but people even leave money. But it's like in this, street. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, this is called the dwarf from Wrocław, and the only reason I found it, I was looking for the Emu Church, and I ended up clicking on this, and it said the dwarf from Wrocław. So anyway, I just thought I'd stop and show you the dwarf from Wrocław. Bye bye everybody.